Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get omega-3 without fish. First, focus on plant-based foods that provide ALA, a precursor to other omega-3s. Next, explore direct sources of EPA and DHA, which are crucial for health. Finally, we'll discuss practical ways to integrate these options into your meals. This approach ensures you receive essential fatty acids even if you avoid fish. Many plant foods are excellent sources of ALA, an important omega-3 fatty acid. Flax seeds, for example, are packed with about 2-3 grams of ALA per tablespoon. Chia seeds are another powerhouse, offering approximately 5 grams of ALA in just 1 ounce. Don't forget walnuts, which provide around 2-5 grams of ALA in a 1/4 cup serving. Incorporating these into your diet is a simple step. For direct sources of EPA and DHA, algae oil is a fantastic option. Unlike plant-based ALA, algae oil provides these essential fatty acids directly, similar to fish. When choosing supplements, aim for at least 250 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily. Always check product labels for third-party testing to ensure purity and potency. This is a reliable way to meet your omega-3 needs. To maximize your omega-3 intake, remember to grind flax seeds just before eating them. This significantly improves absorption. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile. Try adding them to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt for an easy boost. Also, staying well hydrated is key for overall health, so remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. These simple habits can make a big difference in your daily nutrient intake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.